Selamat sore teman-teman semuanya dari Paris ya. Ini musim dingin ya, dan seperti ini suasana terkini di Paris di depan Menara Eiffel. Dan di sini ada pengamen di Paris. Suaranya keren sekali. Dan kalian bisa melihat di sini banyak orang-orang yang berjalan kaki, dan di sana ada yang lagi dancing dia. Lagi happy dia, bahagia dia tahu lagunya. Ih, keren. Indahnya ya menikmati hidup.
Last forever, last forever.
Saya juga mau
to get ourselves sprung. No, we didn't care. We made it very clear, and he also said that love will last forever, last forever. See, it's very divine, girl, one of a kind, but you mash up my mind.
Keren banget,
you gotta
guys.
get it time. Oh Lord,
bahagia kali hidupnya itu dia ya.
she's driving me crazy.
Oh my god, sampai dia kasih keluar jaketnya, senang sekali dia.
Beautiful girl, that's why I'll never work. You got me suicidal,
Aku senang melihat mereka bahagia banget.
It's over. It was back in 99, watching movies all the time. Oh, when I went away for doing my
Bahagia
first
banget
time.
mereka.
Then I never thought that we were gonna see each other, see each other. And then I came out, mommy moved me down south. Oh, I'm with my girl, who I thought was my world. And then it came out to be that she was not the girl for me, girl for me. See, it's very divine, girl, one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You gotta get declined. Oh Lord, my baby, she's driving me crazy.
Keren guys.
Beautiful girl, that's why I'll never work. You got me suicidal, suicidal, and they say it's over. Oh, them this beautiful girl, the only one that do you dirt. They'll get you suicidal, suicidal, and they say it's over.
Keren guys ya. Keren, luar biasa. Luar biasa. Bunga yang menandakan musim semi akan segera tiba. Keren banget hari ini pemandangan. Salam dari Paris semuanya.